Here's a game we're gonna play on this video. We're gonna have you guys go through the property and see all the things that are wrong.
Just replace it.
No! The things that we point out and the things that we don't point out, I want you guys putting them in the comments down below. Welcome to Willa Way. What do you do when you have an Airbnb that needs repairs, has problems, but you really don't want to spend the money? Well, this is a property that actually is performing. It's 1931 Willa Way in Decatur, Georgia. It's cute as a button, but it has a lot of problems. For example, let's start it with number one. Would you spend the money on the driveway, Heidi?
No.
You don't think we spend the money on? Okay.
Of course.
I mean,
look at this. This definitely needs an urgent
Do you think
upgrade.
a smart thing to do is to do like an overlay or tear this out and re-pour?
Definitely this needs to be redone.
I think about the user experience on your Airbnbs. You're actually staying at one of our Airbnbs down the road and you walk in, you had a cockroach. Guys, I suck.
All this also, it just needs to be cleaned up. It's gross to get into.
Is this something that you can have your cleaners do like once a month? Just go through and pay
you
them
can
like
totally
an extra
do that.
$50 and go, hey girls, once a month I need you to go through and clean up the windows on the outside and get all the spider webs off and all that kind of stuff, because I'm here and I'm going to press on this doorbell and there's spider webs all over it.
Look at this. This is from a design viewpoint.
Stupid.
This is not centered and it's a little bit too small when you can cover that.
Right.
I don't want to see that.
Yeah.
Look at the TV.
It's so dumb.
Look at the space in here.
It's dumb.
Look at the space in here.
Dumb.
There you go.
So the cord down here is dumb.
So you need to make sure that if you're setting up on space, you don't have it all over the place. It needs to make sense visually. You have this. I know how much you love this space.
I hate that. I hate that. It bothers me so much.
So you have extra level of flooring. How do you access this? Did you see that?
Yeah,
you have
panel's really janky too. Like, look at this panel.
Look at this cabinets.
It's beat up.
Just look cheap when you have things like this.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter how expensive, how much money you put into.
You think
it looks cheap.
Paint these white and brighten up this kitchen?
We can do that. This light needs to be cleaned up. First of all, I hate this type of light, but if you're gonna have it, you need to clean it up and have your cleaners just taking care of that.
Right.
This one, that's what I was telling you. Usually you use that, a rug, either to create some cohesion in a place or to separate the place, but that's in the middle of nowhere or nothing.
Dumb.
So I would have probably put a smaller rug in that area and create an office, and visually you feel like it's a different space.
Yeah, this is like almost like an end table, not even an office. It's like
Correct.
You need an actual desk. Your cleaner should be cleaning up the inside of the fireplace.
Correct.
It's just full of dirt.
And if this is a functional fireplace, this is a waste of space. You should have lugs that it will make it look super cool, and your the type of utensils or tools that you use for that.
Yeah.
It's a whole set. That will look really, really nice in there. Light bulbs, like when you're doing some design on Airbnbs, those details count. This is another pet peeve of mine. This is definitely not the right size. Look at this. The whole purpose, it should cover up to here.
Right.
Just look at a hotel.
And then there should also be a cover over the box.
Correct.
That like is just, even if it's a white sheet. This is kind of cute, this wallpaper in here. This light's too dim though.
Yeah, it's dark.
The cleaners need to be trained on doing that. Like, they need to be looking around other than just cleaning. They should be looking around and going, is everything level? Does it look good? Because it is way more pleasing to the eye to see that. This ceiling fan, by the way, look at the ceiling fan drooping.
They're all like that. That one, and that one. The only one that is not that way is the one in the main bedroom.
Does this matter on an Airbnb, is like to have the window open just a little bit so you have some natural light in here?
When you have somebody coming, yes. What I always do, and this is something that I personally do on every Airbnb that I set up, I put curtains, because there's people that have a hard time sleeping with light.
Yeah.
And the worst thing that you can have is a guest that is pissed because they didn't sleep well.
Yeah.
I woke up next morning with 2 hours of sleep, I'm definitely leaving a bad review. So you don't want that. There's people that don't care, but there are people that have a hard time sleeping with light. Just replace it.
No.
And there's another one on the other side.
Spend the money on the nicer thing, dude.
So that, for example, Why would you put two together like that?
Oh my gosh. Hey, let's jam 2 paintings on the right side of the
And then let's leave the rest empty.
Everything else is naked. I mean, you could have put a TV here. That would have been nice.
You can have that. Look at that. That one also drooping. You're missing your pillows that go with this. So you should have put, if you don't have a set, then what you compensate with is more of these pillows. So you kind of make it feel like it's full.
This is why you need a woman, guys. A woman. But at least these are level. That's the important thing. Like, you know, if you're gonna jam 2 paintings next to each other, at least make sure they look.
That's crooked.
You can't even make them level. Oh my gosh.
So
dumb.
this looks matte, black, nice finish, and then you put this. So that needs to change.
And where are my towels? Like, right, if I'm staying here, where do I find my towels? They should be laid out somewhere. They should be in the bathroom stacked up.
Right here, you have a
right there, you
space.
should have stacked. Like, if I see fresh towels in a hotel room, I just assume everything's been cleaned, everything's been done. Like, I just assume things, right?
I hate seeing anything that is brands like this out. If you want to put it, you put it inside. And the only things that I leave is anything that is fancy and make look luxury.
Yeah.
That's all that is outside. If you're gonna have any Walmart brand, any, general brand, just hide it. You don't have to have that.
Guys, give Eric like a round of applause in the comments. He doesn't have a gimbal today. His gimbal's acting up. He's using his steady hands, and he has a blister. Put the blister up. Let's see the blister. Can the people see the blister?
Oh, yeah. Oh, gross.
Because he saved 3 people.
He saved people. He put out a fire in the middle of Atlanta with his bare hands, and now he's holding a camera for literally 5-6 hours today, shooting YouTube content for you guys so you guys can learn stuff. So give him some love in the comments.
Okay, guys, so if you got any good tips about decoration and design on Airbnbs, you know also that we're going to be doing some changes on this property, and we have some other projects that are on the works. So if you have any good contractors that you can recommend, or you're a contractor, please reach out and send me your information. We have multiple projects right here in Atlanta.
One of them being right here on our driveway. We need somebody to tear this whole thing out. We need a brand new driveway right here. So if you guys know people, send them to us. Heidi
Landscapers.
Silva. Heidi, what's your email?
It's Heidi at americahomeoffers.com.
Her email will be down in the description below. Please don't send me contractors, send Heidi contractors. People will send them to me because they're like, Pace, I got you a contractor, and I won't look at them.
He would not.
Heidi will.
I will.
We'll see you in the next video. Eric, you stay here. Bye.